A trick to becoming the God body, strong being you claim to be is by recognizing what your body language is communicating to you, to your subconscious mind.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? DreamWise here for another one. Body language and the subconscious mind. Your body speaks volumes. The way you stand, the way your arms are folded. Do you have hands in your pocket? All of these body language cues speak to the people around you, and also that part of you that knows.
Boy!
Subconscious mind. They say communication is 80% nonverbal. Your body language and tone gives yourself away. When you walk in a room, your energy speaks before you even hit the door. People can feel radiant, vibrant people as they walk in the door. It's an invisible light code that speaks to our being.
Message!
A moment for eye contact. Your mind is already given the idea of the entity or symbol once seen. Your body language tells a lot, and it also speaks volume to what type of being you are. A trick to becoming the God body, strong being you claim to be is by recognizing what your body language is communicating to you, to your subconscious mind. For example, I'm not going to say an affirmation of, I am a strong, confident being. Meanwhile, I have my hands in my pockets and my head down, affirming that. Your conscious mind ain't going to believe that, and your subconscious mind ain't going to pick it up. In order to be who you say you are, you must make sure your words, tone, and body are speaking in power and feelings.
360 Ooga Booga Booga!
I had a job as a CNA back in the day, and one of my nurses used to cross her arms all the time. She said it was comfortable to her. My 19-year-old ass was already studying NLP and mirroring and body language cues. And I used to tell her, Miss Jones, you don't want to stand like that because you're making the residents not feel comfortable. She just tell me, that's good. I don't want them to ask me nothing. 12 years later, I see Miss Jones through a mutual friend we have. And through small talk, I asked her, Hey, Miss Jones, how's everything going? She sits there and tells me she has Parkinson's disease. Her one arm continues to shake as we speak. Spirit hit me and says, that's because of the way she used to stand. Body language is not only important for speaking to others, it's also vital for speaking to that part of you that knows. Subconscious mind. Dream wise.